Now, we will study about ionic bonding. Ionic bonding occurs between charged particles. These may be atoms or group of atoms. In either case, the particles must have lost or gained electrons. Electrons have a negative charge, so a particle that gains electron gains a negative charge. Equally, a particle that loses electron must be left with a positive charge, assuming it started with no charge. Since opposite charges attract, the particles in an ionic compound are held together by this attraction. No more. The bond formation is a result of the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive and the negative ions was termed as the electrovalent bond. The electrovalence is equal to the number of unit charges on the ion. Definition: two or more atoms of different elements acquire their 8 electrons in their outermost orbit by losing or gaining electrons to form a molecule. Then a chemical bond is formed between positive ions, that is cations, and negative ions, that is anions, is called ionic or electrovalent bond. Consider two atoms containing one electron in their outermost orbit. Transfer of electron happens between these two atoms. The atom which donate electron becomes positive ion, and the atom which receive electron becomes negative ion. And the bond developed between these two atoms is called ionic bond. Definition: two or more atoms of. Take an example of NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Since atomic number of sodium is 11 and atomic number of chlorine is 17. The electron in the outermost shell of sodium is transferred to the outermost electron shell of chlorine, forming NaCl, that is sodium chloride.